Hello there guys, it's Adam here today with Code Heaven, and I'm here today to do the first tutorial on this channel, and it's about HTML. Now I believe that HTML is a very useful tool when interacting with your subscribers. You can create forums and you can do many more things with HTML, and then you can move on to the next step, which is CSS and jQuery, and those things are really good, which I'm working with at the moment for the Code Heaven website. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go into your desktop or wherever, and you want to create a folder, which I'm sure everyone knows how to do. Same for Windows or PC. And you want to make a folder called website or whatever you want to call your website, and it could be called whatever. It could be called chicken if you want it to be called that. But inside you create 4 subfolders. First one being images, and this is for storing all the images that will be on the website, as you probably have guessed. Banners. Now, I'll be explaining banners in a later tutorial, but you'll need that because you might want a lot of banners. And the next one is videos, which is not going to be used much, but I'll put it in anyway because videos, as you'll see later on in a later stage, that you'll see in a later stage that the videos won't be used very often because we don't need to take up space on our. First of all, you have to consider space while you're hosting, and you don't want to just. It does not look nice, the default player for HTML, and you could always create your own one, but that is a bit effort. Now, the last one I'm just gonna throw it in for people that are looking to make huge websites. You're gonna want a pages folder to keep everything organized, and the only thing, if you know a bit, is the index.html. That's the only thing that you'll need. Now the next thing that you want to do is, well, the next thing that I'm gonna do, I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna add a thing that I'm gonna add a background image, which I'm gonna be using for background later on. I'm gonna close that folder and I'm gonna open Dreamweaver CS6 by Adobe, but you can use anything else. You can use a thing that I have called Oedipus, and here it is, and it works just as fine, just as well. Okay, and it works okay. So in Dreamweaver, if you guys have it, and I know it's expensive, but it's worth it. If you have it, you can go into HTML, you file new HTML, and then doc type. We're gonna do HTML 4.0.1, 4.01 transitional because HTML5 is not supported in some browsers at the moment. So let's just create one of these, and let's be on the safe side. As you can see, what will come up first of all is the body and everything, and you're gonna need this body. So before anything, I'm just gonna create some space, and let's title the website tutorial website. Now, this is not necessary. Call it whatever you want. Chicken, possibly, again. But the first thing that I want to show you how to do is create a heading. And this is for, say, if you're doing an article, you want to create a heading. Now, you crocodile things, as most people know them as. And you want to do one, and then close it. And now these are the reason why I put 1 is because that's going to define the font size. Now it goes up to 6, but H1 is the maximum font size, okay? So that can be changed later on with CSS, so that's cool. And even I'll show you in a later stage how to change the font even in HTML. And that'd be pretty cool. So let's do hello world, and then you close it off. You do / H1 close. That's why Dreamweaver is amazing. Just does that automatically. And then underneath this, we're gonna make a paragraph, which is just P, and then close. And say, okay, guys. As I started off a lot of videos on my previous channel, I'm here today to do a new Let's Play, and then we're gonna and then / P, and there you have it. And if we Control S, now here's the important bit. As you go into save as, if you go up into the file, you have to, and you bring it back to the folder that you've titled website on your desktop, as I am now. Okay, and you see index. So index.html is what you're gonna have to call it. That's what you're gonna have. That's your home page. So if you don't understand me, that is what you have to do. Just do it. And then I'm gonna preview in Chrome. Just dismiss that because it doesn't make a difference. And as you can see, hello world. Okay, guys, I'm here today to do a new Let's Play. Now, if I open a new, excuse me, if I open a new paragraph, a P, and and this is paragraph 2 forward slash same thing, and we control S and we just refresh simply here, and there's paragraph 2. And if I just demonstrate to you, I keep on doing that. If I just demonstrate to you guys this font size thing, let's go to 6. Sorry, let's go to 6, H6, and I'll demonstrate to you guys that the font size changing. Here we go, and it's changed to smaller than the actual paragraph. And you can mess around with this to get the perfect size, but personally I normally go with about 4 or 5, because the font 6 is very overpowering. 4 or 5, sorry, I go with 2 or 3. So I'm gonna go with 3 today, and see how it looks. And okay, that's perfect. Now the next thing that I'm gonna be doing is creating a link, and it's good because if you want to link a website such as the one that I'm working on at the moment, for Code Heaven, it's perfect. So you want to open these crocodile things, and you A H or E F, and then equal to equals, okay, and open your quotations, and inside these you're gonna link it. So I'm gonna go, and I'm just gonna link www.youtube. Oh no, let's actually link Reddit, okay, and okay, so we have and we just copy and we paste, and it needs that HTTP to be linked. So after you've done that, you want to close, and then here you want to put what you want to see. Okay, so I'm gonna put Redditors. Okay, Redditors section, and then you want to open crocodile symbol. I don't know what they're called, but I'm gonna call it that. Forward slash A close, and then Control S. And if we go back in here, we have a thing that says Reddit section, and it looks clickable if I do say so myself. And if you do click on it, it will bring you to Reddit. So that's pretty significant for the first time, guys. And if we want to bring it to the next level, and this is probably the last thing that we're going to do today. Actually, yes, it is going to be the last thing. It's called linking a video. Now, this is, I was telling you earlier on about the fact that you won't need that video folder because you have YouTube on your side. And if we go to a commonly seen YouTube video, Gangnam Style, we won't play it due to copyright and all this stuff. Let's copy embed HTML, and then we'll get off that straight away. Now you literally need to right click on the video, copy embed HTML, okay? And that's all you've got to do. And then you go in here, and I'm going to show you something new and put it in a paragraph and see if this will box it off. And then you Control V, and that will paste it in. And then let's just do P, Control S, and if we and then below we will have our YouTube video. And as you can see, so we have hello world. Okay, guys, I'm here today to do a new Let's Play, and this is paragraph 2. And then you have a link to Reddit, and then you have your embedded Gangnam Style, which actually plays and works perfectly. So the next thing that I'm going to be showing you, which is one last thing, and it's a background. So most people want a background because they want it personalized and they don't just want this white thing. So I have a background here that I've been using on my computer, which I'm just going to, it's just a slipshod thing, but it's a good computer background, but it's not for a website because I've tested it. Now the first thing, you want to open these crocodile symbols again. I hate saying that. Body, and then you want to do background, and then you want to do equals. Open these, and then you want to link it. Okay, so if you called your folder images, which you did because I asked you to, in that website folder, images / the name of the image, and I believe it was code heaven back.jpg, and I control save, and oh, I forgot to close this. Control S and reload, and we have a background. And as you can see, I don't like it because it's hard to see this, but that's the first episode, guys, and you've learned a lot. And I might needed to pause it if it's gone too quick, but I don't think I was that quick, because the video all took about 11 minutes because I just looked at it there as if I'm a cheater. So that's pretty much the basics of HTML. In the next episode, let me just show you an example of this on my old website. I'll be showing you how to, no, not doing the slider just quite yet, because that's a bit complicated yet out of our reach with CSS. A bar, except it won't be quite as beautiful as this, but it will be basic and it will be cool. But and it's pretty much just a horizontal navigation bar, it's called, and I'll be teaching you how to do that next time, guys. Also, in the next episode, I'll be doing banners. So banners will link you to content. Like, you click on an image, and it will link you content. So it's like a link, except it's an image. And next episode, hopefully we can dabble a bit. I'll start talking about CSS because people want to hear about that, and it's pretty good. So guys, that was the first episode. It's HTML introduction, and I I'll link you to the code for that, and you guys can just download it and you can be all good. Okay, all good. So if you want to do that, you can indeed, and please do subscribe because it's much appreciated. It's a new channel, and I just wanted my motto is here to help. Code Heaven, here to help. So, and also I'd like to say thank you to Aquul, I believe it is, for the intro. It's a pretty cool intro, and I'll link his channel in the description, and it's under Creative Commons. So, guys, thank you. Please do like and subscribe because it's gonna help a lot, because people want to know this stuff. It seems, because I've talked to many people. And guys, I'm gonna get off now, and I'm just stalling now. So guys, good day, and thank you for watching, and please, please thumbs up. Good day, guys.